Hey, what's up guys? This section of the video I'll show you guys how to use the multi-information display to reset maintenance light. The next portion of the video will be resetting maintenance light in the digital audio display. Hey guys, this is the multi-information display for 2017 Civic. So you want to press the info button to look for the wrench, press OK, and hold OK. And the maintenance reset will pop up. You can choose what sub to reset, sub A129, or you can just choose all due items. Press OK to reset, and that should be it. It's all done, guys. And this portion of the video, guys, is to reset in the digital audio display for 2018 CRV. This reset will work on Honda's and Acura's 2016 to present with digital audio plus display. Okay guys, turn the key on ignition, ACC, or you can have the engine running as long as you're in park. So you want to go to settings and to the vehicle, and you want to scroll down to maintenance info and select reset items. You can select all due items, or you can select whichever sub is due that you were going to do. Okay, press reset and should be done. Thank you guys. It's all reset. Thanks for watching.